Hey guys, welcome to another property tour. Today we're touring my newest listing in Carmel Valley, Torrey Hills, in the community that's called The Shores. Right behind me, $3.2 million. It's a 5-bed, 3-bath, and I am so excited to show it to you. So with that being said, let's go check it out together. So as I always do, I always show you the street that the property is located. So it's a very quiet neighborhood. As you can see, if you don't live here, if you're not a neighbor, don't own or rent, you don't really drive here, very quiet. And this property does have a little sneakaboo ocean view from the second floor because the ocean is just right there. So with that being said, let's go check it out. My clients have done a lot of work recently for the home, and I think this might be one of the nicest homes in Carmel Valley. It is just under 3,200 square feet. It has enough room for, I would say, 4 to 6 cars in front of the house. And that street right there, you can park as many cars as you want if you live here. This is a storage area. And as you walk in, we're gonna close the door just for safety. Beautiful door, main door. And on your right, you have a bedroom, permitted bedroom. That used to be the garage. They wanted more space. Their family came here sometimes and they just wanted to have a bedroom on the first floor, which not a lot of properties in Carmel Valley do, but this one does. And you can convert it to a bedroom or you can have it as an office. Currently staged as an office, but it's up to you. You do have a bedroom on the first floor. And also, right next to the bedroom, you have a bathroom with a shower. You have a closet right here. And I think, personally, these floors are one of my favorite floors, especially with everything that this house has to offer. It is south-facing. It's currently staged, and they still live here. And it's just, it looks so good because of the natural light. We just had some rain not too long ago, and now it's sunny and beautiful. Had our photos taken today. This living room feels so cozy, especially when it's raining, and it feels also bright when it's sunny outside like it is today. The kitchen was done not too long ago. If you know this community, The Shores, most of the homes, they were built in the early 2000s. And pretty much everything is old and original. My client pretty much did a lot of work when they bought this home. And just the kitchen alone, I think this is one of the nicest kitchens in a home in Carmel Valley at the moment. You have the Sub-Zero fridge. You have a pantry right here. And then you also have your laundry room here, and I love the wallpaper that she put here. You have a 2-car garage behind that door. You have cabinets, more storage area right here. I mean, they did not go cheap on anything in their property. And I want to show you now the most beautiful pool in this community. As soon as you walk out, because it is south facing, you get so much natural light all throughout the day. And we just we had our drone go up today for the photos, and you can see the ocean. You could see it from that floor, a little bit of a sneakaboo ocean views. So Torrey Pines and just this pool alone. You are at almost 14,000 square feet. It's a very quiet neighborhood. It's one of the biggest lots in Carmel Valley, and also in this, I think this is number 1 in this community. Look at that. You also have solar for the pool and for the house, and you also have a Tesla battery. So the solar is owned, everything is owned. So pretty much move-in ready. If you have an EV, this would be the perfect house for you. If you want some of the best schools in San Diego, Carmel Valley, it has some of the best schools, I would say even in the country. But just listen to this. So quiet. You can work out outside if you want, jump in the pool. They have a barbecue right there. They also freshly painted the outside, the inside. One of the nicest homes here. And if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, feel free to reach out to me. I have all my information and also the information of this property down below, so you can contact me. We also have over 200 homes off market right now in San Diego within my team. So if you're not able to find what it is that you're looking for, most likely I have it off market. Look at that, beautiful. So let's go check out the master bedroom first. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You have so much, even the lights are off because you have so much natural sunlight coming in. They just also finished their master bath, new countertops. Pretty much everything is brand new. They also put new roof because, you know, in California when it rains, it pours. So this tub is brand new too. You have a brand new shower right here too. This is beautiful. They just finished working on this. And also, that's your view from your second floor, the master. And it's nice because you can even, if you want to like work out over there or do something, you have a beautiful view. So much sunlight. And we are asking $3.2 million. Carpet is brand new. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Perfect if you have a baby or multiple kids. More storage space. You have another bedroom right here. So in total, you have 4 bedrooms upstairs and then 1 downstairs. And then this is your shared bathroom right here. 2 sinks. Beautiful shower too. And then this is the last bedroom right here, which also gets a ton of sunlight. Every single bedroom here gets so much sunlight. It's just, you cannot even compare in this camera. So that was it. That was the property tour here in Carmel Valley at my newest listing. We're asking $3.2 million, 5 beds, 3 baths, pretty much move-in ready. It's currently staged, and when you see it, we're gonna go live. I'm taking this video before we're even live. So if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest, I would have loved to send you this property, or if you don't like this property, any other properties in San Diego that we have off markets. My name is Alex Trubnikov. I'm a local real estate agent here in sunny San Diego, and I will help you find your next property. So with that being said, I'm going to sell this beautiful house, probably for over asking, and I'm excited to do it because I think this is one of the nicest homes in Carmel Valley alone. I mean, look at this. With that being said, this was Alex Trubnikov, and I'll see you in the next video.